Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2026 Juniper Tesla Model Y. This is the base model. Full front A-pillars and then a rear splash panel back here. You'll see it runs along here and then arcs up so that we can keep those rocks from hitting in this door off that front wheel. Mirrors fully wrapped in all the way around. No edge on top. We wrapped the full edge. And this is 100% wrapped here as well. And the A-pillars fully wrapped in and fully wrapped in. Coming to our front, our bumpers, all the edges are fully wrapped under the lights, so on and so forth. And then coming in, wrapping under here. Everything is nicely done, wrapping under the lights. The hood is 100%, the fenders are 100%. All the edges are fully wrapped in corners all the way around, nice and clear. No adhesive marks, no stretch marks, no debris. Everything's nice and clear, so it looks exactly like nothing's on the car. We remove these so we can go underneath, remove the cameras, reinstall them in the same exact order. Wrap everything in here, all the way up to the A-pillars, all wrapped in, no lines of PPF at all. And then we come all the way up this A-pillar for this gentleman, and it stops right about there. And the rear doors, tint and windshield film on the inside, that's 80%. And there you go. So both XPEL products, XPEL PPF, XPEL XR Plus window film, 10-year guarantee on the PPF, lifetime on the window film. And there it is, clearbrownorthdallas.com. Thanks for watching. clearbrownorthdallas at Gmail if you need us to email, or 214-414-3809. Take care. Have a great day.